What's up family, I'm back again and welcome back to my channel. I decided to come up with a highly requested video and questions I've been getting in my comment section, like how many gaps and knots did you leave when ventilating. I'm going to be making this a close-up video and I'll be showing you how many gaps and knots I do leave. If you're interested to know more about it, then stay tuned and let's get started. Alright, these are the things I'll be using. I'll be using my manicure head and my DIY lace net and tape. This is the major thing I'll be using. Then scissors, which is used for cutting. I'm going to be making use of 2x6 lace net, which is K crochet, and I'll be measuring out 6.5, which is 6.5. I'll be doing this because I want to trim out some excesses and I will not be completing it when I'm ventilating. If you're yet to subscribe to this channel, you might consider clicking on the subscribe button and click notification bell to be part of the family and to get my videos when I upload them. After cutting out the net, I'm going to be trimming out the excesses to give me a kind of perfect rectangle shape. Already this is a K crochet, so trim it out to give me the exact 2x6 shape. After cutting it out, I place it on my manicure head, then pin it down. If this is your first time of clicking to this channel, most times I do place a white paper to ventilate, but this one I'm not going to be using any white paper. This is the hair I'll be using for the ventilation. Take the bundle that you need, cut it out, stretch it and start your process. I'm doing this video from the scratch for those who are yet to understand what ventilating means. We are going to be doing our normal ventilation, which is removing the excess from the hair, then use the pin and pick out 1 or 2 strands of hair, pull it out and tie. I'll be making this a close-up video later. In this one I've drawn one for easy measurement and I'll be measuring half to know exact half of this. So this is the half and I'll be giving a center line. I'll be ventilating in center for the line, or rather for the closure part. If you're not new to this channel already, you should know that this is my normal way of ventilating or making a closure. Ventilate the 2 center line, then turn out and continue. I'll be making this a close-up video and I hope you see properly what I'm doing. Talking about the knot I do leave, most times I space out 1 hole, then ventilate the 2nd hole or knot next. Mostly this is what I do till I get like maybe 2nd to the 1st line. Stay tuned while you watch me as I do them. For my ventilating, I'm doing this vertically, and if you're yet to watch my video on comparison between horizontal and vertical ventilation of closure, then I'll leave the link for you to click up there and watch it and see the outcome. So click it for you to know the one that is best for you to do, whether it's vertical or horizontal ventilation. So like I said, ventilate one, then give out 1 space and ventilate the other one. This is what I'll be doing till I get to the front part and I'll be closing up the spaces. If you're not seeing what I'm doing, I'm going to put up another video for you to see exactly what I'm doing. I'm going to be closing all the spaces, which means I'll be ventilating everything without leaving out any space for it. I'm done making it, and this is how it looks like. This is a kincaid closure. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're yet to subscribe to be part of my family. See you guys later.